The courtroom was tense, the air thick with anticipation as the judge prepared to deliver the verdict in the high-profile case involving Elon Musk. The billionaire entrepreneur, known for his groundbreaking work with Tesla, SpaceX, and a host of other ventures, had found himself in hot water once again. This time, it was over allegations of breaching a contractual agreement with a former business partner. The plaintiff, a once close associate, claimed Musk had reneged on a deal that had been years in the making, costing them millions. The judge, a seasoned legal mind with decades of experience, had heard both sides of the argument and was ready to rule. With a stern expression, the judge leaned forward and addressed Musk directly. "Mr. Musk, the evidence presented in this case is compelling. Your actions, or lack thereof, have caused significant harm to the plaintiff. As such, I am fining you $10 million in damages to be paid immediately." The courtroom erupted in murmurs. For most, $10 million fine would be devastating. But for Musk, it was a drop in the bucket. Yet what happened next left everyone, including the judge, utterly stunned. Musk, calm and composed, stood up and addressed the court. "Your Honor, I respect your decision, but I must point out a critical flaw in the plaintiff's argument, and, by extension, your ruling." The room fell silent. All eyes were on Musk as he continued. The contract in question was never legally binding. It was a verbal agreement, and under the statute of frauds, such agreements are unenforceable without written documentation. Furthermore, the plaintiff failed to provide any evidence that I ever intended to be bound by the terms they've alleged. The judge's eyes narrowed. "Mr. Musk, are you suggesting that the plaintiff has no case?" "Precisely, Your Honor," Musk replied. "In fact, I have here a copy of the email correspondence between myself and the plaintiff, dated prior to the alleged agreement, which clearly states that any future deals would require written consent from both parties. This email was never disclosed by the plaintiff, and I believe it was intentionally withheld to mislead the court." The judge, now visibly intrigued, motioned for Musk to approach the bench. After reviewing the email, the judge leaned back in his chair, a look of astonishment on his face. "This changes everything," the judge admitted. "The plaintiff's case is built on a foundation of omissions and misrepresentations. Mr. Musk, your legal acumen is impressive." The courtroom buzzed with excitement. Musk had not only avoided the fine, but had also exposed the plaintiff's deceit. The judge, clearly impressed by Musk's quick thinking and thorough understanding of the law, dismissed the case entirely. As Musk exited the courtroom, he was met with a barrage of questions from reporters. "Mr. Musk, how did you manage to turn the case around?" one asked. Musk simply smiled and said, "The truth has a way of revealing itself. You just have to know where to look." The story of Musk's legal brilliance spread like wildfire, further cementing his reputation as not just a visionary entrepreneur, but also a formidable strategist. For the judge, it was a humbling reminder that even the most experienced legal minds can be caught off guard by sheer intellect and preparation. And for the rest of the world, it was yet another chapter in the extraordinary life of Elon Musk, a man who seems to thrive in the face of adversity, no matter the odds.